Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to speed up your Slack workflow? In this video, I'll show you the most useful shortcuts and commands to work faster in 2025. First, let's start with navigation. Press Cut, CTRL-R, or CMD-K on Mac to quickly jump to any channel, message, or person to format your messages. Put text between asterisks for bold, underscores for italics, and tildes for tilde. Strike through. Use quick commands by typing a slash in the message box. Try Remind to set reminders for yourself or others. Or DND to toggle Do Not Disturb mode. To quickly react to a message, hover over it and press the plus key. Then type your emoji name. You can also pin important messages by typing pin in the message box. Or save messages for later by clicking the bookmark icon for advanced users. Try Collapse to hide all images and previews, or Expand to show them again. And that's it. These shortcuts and commands will help you navigate Slack like a pro and save time every day if you discover a favorite shortcut. Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.